Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix screen time not working on iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, you have to just simply open settings, and from here guys, simply tap on general, tap on software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update it, and after that go back and then tap on screen time and make sure that screen time is enabled, and after that simply go back and again open general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap reset all setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset to all setting for one time. Now after that, tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is not connected any VPN. If there is any connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after it again go back and then tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct. After trying this, then you have to just simply again go back, and from here guys simply locate for the battery, and from here guys just simply turn off the low power mode. If it is enabled, then simply turn off the low power mode and restart your device for one time. So guys, after restarting your device and turning off low power mode, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.